Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix the blue screen of page fault in non-page area error. So it's a very common error, and let's get straight into fixing it. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to go into your search bar and search for performance right there. Okay, and you should have the setting adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on that. Okay, here you're going to go into advanced, change, and then uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Go into no paging file and click on OK, and it'll require you to restart your system. So just click on OK, click on apply right here, OK. And before we restart the system, you're going to go into your search bar right here and type in cmd to open command prompt. You're going to click on run as administrator, and you're going to run these commands that I've given you in the description. Okay, you're going to run it one by one. It will take time, so just be patient and let it do its job. Alright guys, so you can see that Windows Resource Protection found corrupted files and it successfully repaired them, which is a great thing that Windows did. So now what you're going to do is you're going to close out of this and restart your computer. So once your computer has been restarted, you can go ahead and check for stability issues, and you should not receive the page error again on your system. So that's all for today's video guys. I hope it helped you, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.